Hey, honey. I think I have figured out how to use your spiritual eye. I think everyone have a spiritual eye, and I want to make this video because now I can see things that I usually cannot see. And let me tell you how you can use or operate to your spiritual eye mode. So right now I'm wearing no contact lenses. Do I have enough light? Like this. Focus on the black part of my eyes. You know when people are dead or near dead, their black part will become bigger, and people think this person cannot contract her eyes. But I think that's a natural cause of that nearly dead person saw something beyond what she usually can see. Right now, in this angle, I can see world all layered up. I can see aura of a person. So basically what you do in your life, everything will show. And how can you operate this part? Is try to make your black part of your eyes bigger. This way you can see it's not a flaws. It is a way to use your eyes. Think about when you're a kid, sometimes you're staring at one thing and you cannot focus. Your brain goes blank. That's when you can see, because you are not focused on that object and you can see more of it, like everything behind it. I hope I've made it clear. I just figured out how to use this spiritual eye, and that's so cool. Like right now, I'm using my spiritual eye, so you may look at my eyes like, why you don't focus? But actually, when you don't focus is when you see the most. I can focus right now. I can make myself look normal. But when you don't focus, you can see through the world and you can see more. How did I got this skill? So actually before I was randomly got this vision many times. And this time was right after an event. I'm trying to find a boyfriend, and there is one guy, I think he meets my preference, and we tried to have a video call. But I wear makeup and I feel so shy. Basically, I couldn't accept the real me. He was saying like, why do you feel shy? You are beautiful. You don't need to cover up. Like, that's not exactly his word, but he made me realize I need to accept myself more. And when I accepted and I thanked him, I figured out how I can see different things, because I know sometimes I can see those things, I just don't know how exactly use this eye. I hope I've made it clear how you can use your spiritual eye, because you have a spiritual eye, you just don't know how to use it. And when you can operate this spiritual eye, you can see different layer of this world, and you can see a person, everything. So basically everything you've done in your life will leave a mark on your aura. Sometimes it show a blackness in certain part when something is not good, but sometimes it's beautiful and you will know that person is good. So sometimes we describe it as a feeling. It's real, so be aware of what you do, what you think, because it will leave a mark. And it will attract people similar to you. If you want to attract better people, just be a better self. Think good. Think better. Try to be better. I mean, everyone have their hardship, but take baby steps. See your improvement and always have a strong will of good. And life will give you more. When you show appreciation, when you can do self-reflection, able to change or want to change, and when you try to improve, life will give you more you expected.